Don't skip this. Wallahi, the shaitan doesn't want you to know about this. Do you know the first person that will be thrown in the fire of Jahannam? Subhanallah, this will blow your mind. Because many people think that it will be the non-believer of Fir'aun. But listen carefully. For this to someone so that this will save them from the fire of Jahannam. And also if you share it, may Allah save you from the fire of Jahannam. The Prophet ﷺ mentioned the first 3 people that will be thrown in the fire of Jahannam. He said number 1 will be the martyr, the one who fight in the cause of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and then he dies in that cause. This person will be called on the day of judgment, and they will ask him, what did you do for the sake of Allah? He will say, I fight for the cause of Allah and I died there for the sake of Allah. And it will be said to this person, Kazabta, you lied. You fight for people to call you the best wrestler, the strongest man, and you are praised in this dunya. You have that praised. So this person, it will be said to the malaika, for this person to be dragged on his face, and then they will put this person inside the fire of Jahannam. The second person will be a scholar, an alim or a qari, a Quran reciter. This person will be called on the day of judgment. They will ask him, what did you do for the sake of Allah? He will say, I used to recite the Quran, or I learned the Quran and also teach another people. Or I'm a scholar. I learned the fiqh of the deen and also taught other people. And it will be said to this person, Kazabta, you lied. You did it for people to praise you. You recite the Quran for people to say you have a beautiful voice. And then it will be said to the malaika to drag this person on his face, and they will throw him inside the fire of Jahannam. The third person will be a rich man who is generous. Someone who helps people in this dunya. When people are in need, he support them. This person will be called on the day of judgment. They will ask him, what did you use to do for the sake of Allah? He will say, I used to help people, those who are in need. I used to relieve people from their problems. And then it will be said to this person, Kadhabta, you lied. You used to help people so that you'll be called the most generous, the one who is helping hand to people. And they will say to this person, you have earned that praise in the dunya. And they will order the malaika to drag that person into the fire of Jahannam on his face. So my beloved brothers and sisters, don't just think that the non-believers and Fir'aun will be the first person to be thrown inside the fire of Jahannam. Even you doing good deeds, if you are not doing it for the sake of Allah, your deeds are not sincere for the sake of Allah, you will be the first among the people whom will be thrown in the fire of Jahannam. So whatever thing you are doing, do it for the sake of Allah, so that Allah will accept your deeds. You will not fall into this regret on the day of judgment.